What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another video. So I want to show you guys a really cool trick that you can do to back up all of your repos on your jailbroken device. Now, I covered this app a few weeks ago, I think it was at this point. So it's a pretty sweet application. It is called PostBox. So if I go ahead and launch it, and keep in mind I'm showing you guys this on a non-jailbroken iPhone. This is my 12 Pro Max. It is not jailbroken. So this is an app. It is available through test flight. It is in beta, and it will be available through the App Store once it's released. But what you can do is you can browse repos and tweaks and pretty much everything, kind of like Cydia in a way. You can't actually install tweaks, of course, because you have to be jailbroken to do that. But it's still very, very cool to have on a non-jailbroken device or even on your jailbroken device. And I did demonstrate actually with this app on iOS 14, since you can make custom icons with iOS 14, no jailbreak. You can actually download free themes using this app and use them on your iPhone. Like I said, I've done coverage on this in the past, and I'll leave links in the description so you guys can check those out. But what I mainly wanted to show you guys in this video is how you can use PostBox to make a backup of all of your repos within Cydia, Zebra, Cilio, Installer, whatever you're using. You can create a repo backup in this application, and it's really quite cool. So on the XS Max here, which is jailbroken with Uncover, if we go to repos, you go to manage repos, and then there's the little download icon in the upper right. And as you can see, you can import your repos from Cydia, Cilio, or Zebra. So I'm going to go ahead and select on Zebra, and I'm going to click on import. And as you can see, here are all of the repos that I have. So I'm going to click on add, and now it's going to go through and add all of them to my repos. So as you can see, now I have all of these repos available in PostBox. And since there's no jailbreak required to have PostBox, you can access these even when you lose a jailbreak, or you maybe update in the future to get onto a newer jailbreak. Whatever it might be, you have access to these repos. And as you can see, you click on add repo here, and there's just a couple of themes in this one. There is Aurora Dark. It is free. I think you can actually directly download this. Let's test this out. Oh, we did get an error. So it does work for downloading certain things from certain repos. Other repos don't allow this, like this one. But you can browse all of the packages in the repos, and it's just a really cool application. And it's really nice to be able to have a backup of all the repos you guys like to use, so that way you don't ever forget which repos you have on your jailbroken iPhone. So just wanted to show you guys this cool trick that you can do with PostBox to create essentially a backup of all your repos. Again, like I said, I will leave links for other videos in the description if you guys want more information on PostBox. It's definitely a really cool application. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.